Welcome back to Crafty Corner. I'm Beth. We are an authorized Cricut retailer that also puts out educational and inspirational videos. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our newest videos. Today I want to show you a quick trick for working in Design Space. It's the ability to move objects around on the preview mat screen. Let's jump right in. In Design Space, I have 4 shapes in here in different colors. I found them all in the Shapes section and then changed the colors. When I hit Make It, I will see the mat preview screen. You can see that it put each shape on its own mat because they're all different colors. But let's say I changed my mind and I want my circle to be red as well as the heart. I can click on the circle and then the 3 dots and then Move Objects. It will then give you the option to pick which mat you would like to move it to. Then you can move it around on the mat here to place it where you would like it to cut. If we go back to the blue mat, you will notice that the circle is no longer there. Let's check out our green triangle. Again, we change our mind and we don't want to cut this one out. We can click on the triangle and click the 3 dots and then select Hide Object. And it disappears from the map. Now back to the canvas, I duplicated my star many times. When I hit Make It, it will again take me to the preview mat screen. Design Space will automatically place them as close to each other as it can cut, but sometimes that makes it really hard to weed. So what I like to do is just shift them around a little, giving each star its own space to make it easier to weed. Another reason I'm going to show you that being able to move objects is nice is when you are doing an operation on a blank material that you need precise placement. Let's say I have this design that I'm going to engrave on a piece of acrylic. When I hit Make It, I can place the design exactly where my acrylic mat will be on the mat, so I know it will be aligned perfectly. Thank you for watching this Cricut Design Space trick today. Check out Craft-e-Corner.com for your Cricut material needs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks coming soon. See you next time.